Good morning, everybody. And on behalf of the forum, I'd like to welcome all of you. It's great that you are here. You are in for a treat today. So fasten your seatbelts. And there are actually two components to what we're going to do today. And the first one is about the sponsors. And I'm not going to give you their view. They will give their view. One of the recommendations, this forum was formed because of the two major reports that came out a couple of years ago. The Lancet report for reform of education for the health professions and the Future of Nursing report. One of the recommendations in the Lancet report was related to the sponsors. And clearly the report said, the recommendation said that to really implement any of the recommendations in any of those great reports, IOM reports or the Lancet reports, you have to engage different kinds of sponsors. And you have to engage them from the public sphere and from the private sphere. And the idea, it's not only the financial support of it, but it's the engagement of the sponsor in the work of the forum and in the work of IOM, because with that involvement and that engagement goes back to the organizations, and this is where the implementation and the revolution and the innovation happens. So we would not have been able to do any of our work without the sponsors. There are lots of sponsors, about maybe 40 sponsors who have been very engaged and very involved with us. And of course, if we give a chance to all 45 sponsors to speak today, we would not have time to hear about the work that's going to happen in terms of evaluation and impact of IPE. So we will have a chance to, I will introduce 3 people who are going to come and sit right here. And then I'm going to also come to the podium and give a chance to other sponsors who might want to say something. And this is by way of saying, this is what we expected from you. Here are some tips. This is what we would like you to do. And this is what we are pleased that you are doing. Maybe I'm putting words in their mouth. So there are 3 sponsors, and I don't see all of them here. I see only 2 of them here. So I'm going to call your name, and please come to the table here. Maria Tasson, who is from University of Toronto. She's the director of IPE in Center in Toronto, and she is also the lead person in the collaborative that's working as part of the forum. Welcome, Maria. And Deborah Troutman, she is the new executive director of the American Association of Colleges of Nursing. And I think we are waiting for Carol Aschenbrenner, who is wonderfully qualified also to speak about her views for this forum and for this committee, because she was a dean, she is a chancellor, she's coming. Megan is giving me is she coming? We don't know. Okay, I knew she's coming. I talked with her yesterday. Anyhow, she probably will be coming. And if not, there are other sponsors here, and I'm going to call on you to give your perspectives. So welcome to the panel, and you will start, Maria? Okay.